The Fiat 500 key fob battery replacement is a simple DIY task. First, gather your materials: a CR232 battery, a small screwdriver or plastic pry tool to avoid scratches, and optionally, a key fob case opener kit. Locate the seam on the back or side of the key fob case. Gently pry it open using your tool. Some post-2016 models might have a release button that you should press. Take care to avoid damage to the case during opening. Work in a static-free environment to protect the key fob's sensitive electronics. Once the case is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation, usually the positive side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Avoid touching the battery contacts to prevent static discharge and potential signal issues. Firmly snap the key fob case back together until it's fully closed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to ensure it's working correctly. Weak signal or unresponsive buttons were likely your initial symptoms. Remember to recycle your old battery at designated recycling programs.